Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw SHIN SHARKJIRA from Hungry Shark World. Now, I really like the drawing style of these sharks, so if you guys have any more ideas of different sharks you would like me to draw, definitely let me know in the comments because I would love to try drawing some different ones. I don't know if I can get to all of them, but definitely let me know some of your favorites or even the most popular ones. But I hope you guys enjoy this drawing and follow along today. Now, to start off with our SHIN SHARKJIRA, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right over here, and I'm just going to make a little line that's going to go down like this, and a line that's going to come down like this way. Next, we're just going to make a little line that's going to connect. And I'm just going to draw this line a little bit longer over here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and back here. And then a line that's going to curve up. It's going to come to a point and down. Then I'll make a line that's going to go out and then comes back, with a little one right here too. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. And then I'm going to bring it down here at an angle. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, kind of like a smile. Then it's going to come down and back like this. Then I'm going to bring it down to here. Then I'm going to draw a line that comes back here. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to curve up here. Now, starting at the top, I'm going to draw some sharp teeth. I'm going to keep these a little smaller. And then at the bottom, I'm going to make some much bigger teeth. I'm going to draw a couple little lines right down here. I'll put another smaller tooth in the front. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw some kind of pointy zigzag lines here. And I'll make a little line that comes to connect it. Now, starting back here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. And that's going to come down to a point right here. We'll make it come to a point, and that's going to come down, so it's nice and wide. Starting here, I'm going to draw a couple little curved lines up here to make it look like it's kind of wrinkled. And starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes down. And then another line that's going to come down like this. I'm going to draw a line that goes up. And then a line that goes down, and then it's going to come up to here. And then it's going to curve up here to the top. Then we'll make another little line that's going to come down here. Starting here, I'm going to make a couple little lines that are just going to go down and then kind of curve up, so it looks pretty wrinkly down here. And then I'm going to start down here. We're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come back here. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up, and another one that's going to go down, and it's going to come up here. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up here. And then I'm going to make a nice big line that's going to curve up here. Now, this is our basic shape of our SHIN SHARKJIRA. Now what we have to do is add all of the different details in here. And there are a lot of them, so I'm not going to put every single one, but I'm going to try to do quite a few. So let's start here on the arm. I'm going to make a little line that's going to kind of wiggle all the way up to here. Make a line that's going to go up and down. Another one that goes up and down, and then one more right here. I want to make kind of like a rounded oval shape here, and then another one right here. I'm also going to add kind of like a line that goes up and down, and then one more, kind of like a spike. He's almost kind of mixed with like an ice crystal type effect. Now starting here, I want to make a line that's going to go up and down, curves around. Make another one right here, kind of pointy. Make another one that's going to go up and down here, and another one here. And I'll do one more over here. And we can put another over here too. And we'll add one more right here, just kind of really fill it out. Now, starting down here on the stomach, I'm going to draw a couple little small rectangular shapes to make it look like there's some bones sticking out, and we'll connect this line here. I'm going to connect the tail to the leg, and we'll do that same thing. We're just going to make some kind of long little rectangle shapes coming out of here. Now, starting up here, we want to add his great big fin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and over. We'll bring it up to a point and then down. We'll add another little point. Then we'll add a great big curved line that comes back, and that's going to come down. Then we'll add a couple more little kind of spiky points all the way down here. Now, starting here on the tail, I'm going to make another little kind of pointy line that goes right to here. Then I'm going to make kind of like a pointy shape like this. Then I'm going to make a couple more kind of pointed, jagged lines right here to kind of form like a tail shape. Now, right along the back here, I want to add a little bit of texture onto him. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a couple little lines that are going to just kind of curve over and then come down. You're just going to kind of go over and then down. It's just going to add a little bit of texture on here. Now, starting over here on the face, I'm going to add a little line that's going to curve over. We're making a little line that's going to go up. It's going to come up and down. And then it's just going to be a little wavy and bumpy over to here. Starting here, I'm going to add just a couple little kind of wavy, wrinkly lines. And then we'll do a couple more right around here. We're going to add just a few more wrinkly lines in here. I'm going to add a couple little lines right around the eye. I'm going to add just a couple little lines right around here on the arm for some texture. And we'll add a couple little curved lines right on here just to kind of show where the claws are. And a few little wrinkle lines. Right along here, we're just going to add kind of like a bit of like a zigzag wavy line. And I'll also kind of include it right in here too. Now I'm just going to make some kind of longer lines right here. I'll make some more of these kind of wavy zigzag lines with a few longer lines. Next, I'm going to add just a couple little curved lines to kind of connect some of these spikes together. And we'll do this all around here just to kind of connect them. Then I'm just going to add some kind of extra little round oval shapes in here. This is just to kind of show that like there's almost these big crystal shapes for the spikes, and they're just kind of connected with some of like the different skin color of our SHIN SHARKJIRA. Then I'm just going to add a couple little curved lines right along the bottom of some of these things just to kind of form a little bit more of like a scale pattern, just for a little bit of detail. I'm going to add some curved lines for these toes with a couple extra little lines on here. And then I'm just going to make some kind of rounded shapes on here just for a little bit of detail and texture. I'm going to add a little curved line for the nose. And then a little line is just going to come right across the top. And then I'll add a little bit of texture right on here too. Then we can add a couple little extra lines on some of these just to give them a little bit of detail. And same thing on these, just a couple little random lines. And there you go, there is your drawing of SHIN SHARKJIRA. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.